Hey there, it's E Squared Photography. I'm Erin.
And I'm Emily, and we are here to keep things simple and fun.
Do you ever get to a session and completely freeze up with poses, or you start posing them and they just look stiff and it's maybe a little too traditional for their liking? Well, we're here today to explain some posing prompts that you can give individuals, specifically senior girls are going to see a little behind the scenes of, some things you can say to them to help loosen them up a little bit.
And make sure to stick around until the end because we have something special just for you.
And by the end of this video and behind the scenes today, you will have some takeaways that you can take to your next session and help your clients feel a little bit more comfortable in front of the camera.
And for the best photography tips and tricks, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell for notifications of future videos. And every Monday we come out with a new video for you.
So let's jump right in. What you are going to see is some behind the scenes of us working with some girls, and you are going to see some posing prompts that we give them, and we'll explain it as we go through. So let's just dive in and take a look at how we go about doing this.
Okay, so this first pose that I'm going to teach Allison and do with Allison is called the point kick. That's what we call it. Okay, so I'm going to have her, first of all, I'm going to ask her to pick her favorite side of her face if she has one. Or if she has a part, I might play with the part too. But she does the middle part because that's the cool thing. We don't do that anymore. So anyways, she's going to stand facing sideways towards the camera like this. And I'm going to have her with her outside foot. I'm going to have her point and kick and keep going back and forth just to get a little movement. And then with her hand that's over here, she's going to rest it down and she's going to point and kick. And then with this hand, I'm going to try something a little bit different, I think. And I'm going to have her, instead of playing with her hair, which we normally do, I'm going to have her hold her jacket. Okay, so you're just going to point, kick. Okay, I know I look really good doing this. All right, let's see how she does. Oh, that's perfect. Yes, 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 yes. Cute. Okay, keep doing it. Okay, that's really cute. Okay, giggle back towards them. Now kind of lean towards me and giggle.
Okay, so one thing that I wished I would have did here was have her create more of a triangle with her knee as she kicked it back, because it kind of looks just like her legs going up, so you would see more of space between her legs.
Yes, now stop, freeze, and just point your toe out like you were. Just point it, grab your jacket, stick your fingers out so I can see them. Oh, okay. Yep, so you don't look cold. And then flip your hair back on this side. And then I'm gonna do a little close up here. And relax your shoulder a little bit. Yes, that's cute. Now giggle back towards them. Yes, and back here. And now lean towards me a little bit and let out a giggle. Yes, cute, okay. Okay, so now we have Maddie here, and I'm gonna do the second pose with her, and we call this one the pocket twist. We have really unique names for these. So with the pocket twist, what she's going to do is I'm going to have her take her foot. She's going to face me, her shoulders right to me. So she's going to take one of her feet, doesn't matter which one, and she's going to point it out, and she's going to have it be on her toe like this, because it really elongates her leg then. And then I'm going to have her put her hands in both of her pockets. And then what she's going to do is she's going to just twist. Pocket, twist. Get it? Pocket, twist. And then every now and then I'm going to have her shrug her shoulders, kind of lean forward, flip her hair a little bit. Okay, she's going to look a lot cuter than I just looked. All right. Okay, perfect. Even like go up on your toe. Yes, that's cute. Scooch a little bit this way. Okay. Ready and go. Yes, this is cute. Be even more dramatic. Yes, now look away as you're doing it, so look towards them. Yes. Now try flipping your hair.
Okay, so the one struggle with this location is that cars kept driving by, so it was really tricky to get shots without reflection of cars in them, so we had to be really careful and snap a ton of pictures during this time.
Yes. You just have to be really dramatic. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, I'm closing. Yep, keep moving. Okay, you can stop with the hair. Oh, that was cool. Yep, now just smile here and move back and forth. Okay, now just freeze.
Okay, so you can see here that there's a little piece of hair going in front of her face, which I kind of liked. I wouldn't always do that, but I kind of liked it for this more windy look, so I just went with it.
Okay, and now look away and smile. Yes, and back here. Yes. Okay, so this next pose that I'm gonna have Allison do, I'm gonna have her put her feet straight to me, straight to the camera, and she's going to pop her knee like this and kind of like point it out a little bit. And she's gonna grab her arm like this, and you're gonna just really relax and grab more of your forearm. And then I'm going to, and then I'm going to have you just go back and forth. So you're gonna pop your hip and switch your hand. And just try to do it, be really relaxed about it. Start by just looking at me first. Okay, bring some hair forward. Okay, ready? Okay, these darn cars. Okay, ready, and go. Yes, that's cute. Now keep going back and forth. Now kind of look away as you do it. Yes, yes, look the other way. Okay, keep doing it. Now look back here. Okay, this is super cute. Look away. Yes, perfect. Okay, so this next one is called knitting, or the knit. Okay, here's how this one works. I'm going to pose her, and you can pose her really however you want. It's all about what she's doing with her hands. But I'm going to, which side of your face do you like better? Okay, so you're gonna point your toes this way. You're gonna pop your left knee, and you can put your feet all the way together. Pop your left knee, and with your hands, you're just gonna pretend like you're like holding knitting needles, and you're just kind of like, just like really like dainty grabbing your fingers like this. So that's perfect. Show me your hands more so you don't look like you're cold. Okay, perfect. Yep. Okay, and yeah, fly it, throw that hair back. This is cute. Oh, sorry, scooch that way. Okay. All right, that's perfect. And twist a little bit towards me with this side. Even more. Yep. That's cute. Okay, I'm gonna come closer. Okay, now stand straight on to me. Cross back like this and do the same thing with your hands. Yep.
Okay, so I had her switch directions just because it looked a little awkward to the side. So when she switched this way, I ended up liking them a lot better the way they ended up turning out.
Oh, that's cute. Now look away and smile. And back here. Oh my gosh. Okay, look that way and kind of giggle. Oh, that's cute. Yes, perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna do a sitting pose here now with Avery. My mic's getting all funky. Okay, so I'm gonna have her face the camera like this, and she's gonna put her hands back, and she's just gonna kick her feet like this, and then I'm gonna tell her to do different things with her head and shoulders, okay? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Okay, all right, here we go. Oh, this is cute. Okay, yep, just kick, 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 kick. Now pretend like you're giggling over your shoulder, back that way. Yes, look back at me, shrug your shoulder a little bit towards me. Yes, giggle up at Allison. Yes, and back here.
Okay, so one thing when I demonstrated this pose that I totally missed to tell her is that I wanted her to kick her feet a lot faster because it would create more giggles. So definitely something I would switch here too.
And now throw your head back and kind of look up at the sky as you're kicking. Yes. And now kind of giggle towards, like, up and towards this car. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so we hope that was helpful. Comment below right now and let us know a posing prompt or something you like to use with senior girls to help us out and help others out as well. And if you do work with senior girls, senior guys, and you want a little more about posing, we do have a free download, a posing guide download in the description below that you can check out. So make sure to look at that.
And if you enjoyed this video today, make sure to subscribe, like, and share with a friend so we know to make more videos just like this one.
And if you don't already, follow us on Instagram at e2photography so you can see more behind the scenes footage of us at actual sessions. And we'll see you next week.